afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella from Ella Skincare. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How are you doing? I hope you're good, because me, I am doing great. So lovely, today I'll be reviewing the Ever-yuth Kids Glow Lotion. Before we go into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. And if you want to get a skincare product, customized product, wholesale, where we get to make your product for you, feel free to chat to us on WhatsApp on this number right here, and we'll do that for you. Okay, so lovelies, I don't want to waste time talking. Let us go straight into this video. Okay, all right, let's go. So welcome back. Pardon my face, I was sleeping. I just woke up and my face is not giving. I know my face is not giving, but here we go. Okay, today, like I said earlier, I'll be reviewing the Ever-yuth Kids Glow Lotion. This is, I don't know if you can see, this is how it's looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pics here for you to see it properly. Okay, it's the Ever Kids Glow Lotion with mineral based 50 formulas. With chamomile oil, pentanol, okay, pentanol plus zinc oxide, and okay, dermatologically tested, which means it's tested for teen and adult, for prince and princesses. And on this side there's a scratch code. Okay, there's a scratch code here. So there's a scratch code for you to check to know if it's original or not, but I feel that there are no fake of this in the market right now. And we have lots of ingredients here, a whole lot of ingredients. At the other side, it says design help to moisturize, hydrate soft, sensitive skin. Okay, our lotion can be used on hands, fingers, face, and bodies. And at the other side, it says relieve dryness and smooth irritation. Okay, so they say help with dryness and irritation. Okay, it's matte way to help reduce appearance of flake caused by dry, sensitive skin. Use it after baths or diaper change before bed. Alright, it's smooth and non-greasy formula. Yes, it's smooth and non-greasy formula, fast absorbing, gentle and dry, sensitive or irritated skin, Ever-yuth, blah 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 blah. I feel they are trying to repeat the same thing all over here again. Unbeatable customer service. Okay, we take high pride in making high quality lotion and products that are safe for kids and adults, backed by trusted satisfaction guarantee. Yes, unbeatable customer service, and that's why I'm going to give my opinion in this video and tell you how this really feels like on the skin. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 stuffs that they say these products will do for you. Okay, and there's direction on how to use it. Now, so this is the lotion. This is how it's looking like on the inside. It's very portable. Okay, this is a 400 ml lotion. Let me check. Yes, it's a 400 ml lotion. Just from the weight, I know that it's 400. Okay, this is 400 ml lotion. I think the lotion starts from somewhere here. Yes, and so for those my customers that are saying, Ella, the cream must be full. No industrial products will full cream for you. They go by the grams or by the ml. Okay, so this lotion, I would not say it smells super good, but it smells nice to an extent. Okay, I feel it's okay, but it's not really giving baby vibe. Okay, the lotion is not really giving that, baby vibe. I think because they said it's for teens and adults, that's why it's not giving that baby vibe. Now, this lotion is good for prickly heat, diaper rash. Okay, it's good to help for irritations. Okay, it helps for irritation, because a little bit of irritation for babies and kids, and sometimes for adults too. Okay, and for chamomile oil, it's very good. Okay, it's literally so good. And also for the zinc oxide will help you a little bit from sun damage, but I will also love you to use this sunscreen. And I don't want to use it, but if you're a child that wants to use it, you are good to go. Okay, you don't really need extra sunscreen. I don't even use sunscreen for my son. Okay, lotion is very good. It moisturizes the skin to an extent. Okay, it's going to make your shy skin glow, looking supple and nice all day long. But I will not advise this for an adult, because when you use this is not really giving you that moisture that I want as an adult. Okay. So the cream is not that thick, but it's okay. And let me apply it on for you to see. Now for an adult, this is not really giving you that moisture that you want as an adult. No, it's not going to give you that. Okay, because if you put it on your skin as an adult, at some time your skin is not going to feel as moisturized as you want it to be. So you can see I added a lot of it on my skin. As you can see, I packed it here, like packed it here, and if it's looking like this, it's giving you a little bit of moisture, but after some hours you're not going to get the same moisture. Okay, now look at both hands. You can see that this is well moisturized than this. Okay, yes, this is moisturized than this, but after 2-3 hours you're not going to get same moisture. So I advise that you use this on your child skin and not on your skin as an adult. Okay, this will go well for your child's skin. Okay, and number two, it's just going to make your skin glow. It's not going to bleach your child. Please, for those of you that are looking for bleaching cream for your child, this is not it. Okay, this is not going to bleach your child, but it's going to moisturize your child's skin, make their skin feel supple and good. Okay, and the price is very affordable. Okay, it's very, very affordable. As you can see, my hands are getting dried. Okay, my hands are getting somehow. That's why I say this is not good for an adult. A child, yes, you can use this. Well, if you're an adult that need extra moisture, as an adult, as we age, we need more moisture on our skin. Okay, like super moisture on our skin. So this is not giving for that. Or you can manage it if you're on a low budget, a very low budget. You don't want to spend much and you need your skin to moisturize a little bit. You can manage this as an adult. And another thing I want to say about this station is that please, since they say they have unbeatable customer care, okay, customer service, I would love you guys to add a little bit of oils in here. Add more oils. There's already written here that have chamomile oil. So for you to increase your chamomile oil that you use, increase it because chamomile oil is very good. But if they don't want an adult to use this it's okay. It's good to go for a child. But for me, if I want to give my son this, I will have to add a little bit more moisturizing ingredients. Okay, it's giving your child moisture. All right, it's good for the price. It's not bad, but for me, I need something higher. Okay, I need something that is a little bit at the top, but this is good on the budget. The price that it is, the way it is very, very good. Okay, it's good for the price. So lovely, is at the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the bell button to let me know that you love this, and hit subscribe button if you haven't still subscribed. Hit subscribe buttons. Till I see you in my next video, remain blessed. Bye bye.